Hello and welcome to my first ever YouTube video. Today I'm going to show you how to get started with Technic. Technic, if you didn't already know, is a mod pack. The link to download is in the description, so check it out if you haven't already after the video. The first thing you need to get started is a house, which I've created beforehand. Then we need to mine. There are a few new ores introduced in the Technic pack, such as copper, tin, silver and uranium to name a few. So, let's get started. Finally, finish mining. Hopefully you should have a nice stock of ores, both vanilla and the new ones. One of the mods in Technic is Industrial Craft 2, which introduces some machines that can make your life much easier. Now we can build our first machine, the extractor. The extractor is made from 4 tree taps made from 5 wood in the shape of a tap, an electronic circuit made from refined iron, which is made from smelting an iron ingot, 2 redstone and 6 copper cables made from 6 rubber and 3 copper ingots. We also need a machine block made from 8 refined iron. Wow. Now, if you're new to the Technic pack, you may be wondering, what is rubber and how do you get it? Well, rubber is a very important part of IC2. It is used to make cables, well, most cables anyway. You can get rubber from smelting or extracting sticky resin, which can be taken from special trees called rubber trees, using a tree tap. Where are all the rubber trees? I'm like 271 meters away from my home and I've not found a single rubber tree yet. You can usually find them easily because they have translucent leaves and 2 things sticking up at the top. Oh, there's one. Yeah, so they have 2 leaves at the top, unlike all these other trees. We should find an orange blob, as that's what sticky resin is. Also note, if you right click on a rubber tree with a tree tap, the durability will go down, even if you're not getting anything, which is a real pain. Wow, there's no rubber on any of these trees. Really? What great rubber trees. Not a single blob of rubber on any of these trees. Just great. Well, at least if you chop them down when you have an extractor, you can extract the rubber wood and get you can get sticky resin. Wow, I don't even know what I'm saying. Oh, do you see that? I got 5 sticky resin from it. Well, it looks like if you cut down rubber trees, sometimes you get sticky resin from it, which is good. Oh, found one, finally. These are what the orange blobs look like. Just in case you didn't know. You may see a faint implant of the thing. If you right click it again, you might get some more rubber. Well, sticky resin. Sticky resin, that should be enough. Phew, the smelting's finished. Now we can start actually building the machine. First, we need to build our copper wires for the electronic circuit, which was 3 copper ingots and 6 rubber around each other. You need these quite a lot, so get ready to learn the recipe. There's electronic circuit, then our machine block, which was 8 iron ingots, refined iron, in a square. machine block there, electronic circuit there, tree top there, tree top there, tree top there. Whoops, I'm missing a tree top. Build another one. And there we go, our first machine, the extractor. Put it down somewhere where you want it to go, because you can't pick it up normally. You have to use a special tool using a special material that we have to make later on, called the wrench. Since we don't have any power making machines, you can power it using a redstone, but one redstone will only give you one operation. But at least this gives you 3 rubber from each sticky resin, unlike when you smelt it where you get 1. It's a very slow process. Very, very slow process. Voila. There's one last machine I'd like to show you in this episode, which is the generator. This makes power for you so you don't have to use redstone, which is really awesome. 3 refined iron, an RE battery. An RE battery is a portable battery box. Really, it allows you to store power and transfer it without using cables if you're doing anything portable. Why is it not working? RE. There. A copper cable, 4 tin, and 2 redstone. Just need to smelt another copper to make our final wire. You can also upgrade furnaces into an iron furnace. You can do the cheap way, where you use 8 iron, or the expensive way, which is 8 iron in a square. Or you can do it the cheap way, which is a furnace and then 5 iron in like a house shape, which I'll show you next episode. Instead of making 6 wires, you can make a quick wire like this. No, you can't. Never mind. So here we go. This is how you make the 1 wire. Make 6 uninsulated copper cables and just put a rubber next to it. You have your own copper cable. Oh god, more smelting. 4 tin. Later on in the game, there's this thing called a red matter furnace, which smelts incredibly fast. Really, really fast. There, our tin's ready. So it's 4 tin, a copper cable, and 2 redstone to make up our battery. Then we need 3 more iron. Oh god, wow. This is a pain. If you're wondering what this EMC is, it's a type of currency used in a mod called Equivalent Exchange, where it allows you to duplicate stuff, change stuff, basically a philosopher's mod. Some people think it's cheating, well, class it as cheating, because you can easily duplicate diamonds really easily, so it takes the fun out of the game, but it's your own opinion. The research value is part of a mod called Thamcraft, which is only included in the Technic pack, not in the Techit pack. It allows you have to research stuff, and then, for example, you can get a flying carpet, or an axe that when you hit wood, it'll completely break the whole structure down, or a pickaxe that can smelt it just as mining it. There's our refined iron done. We need a furnace. Whoops. How can I forget the recipe for a furnace? What am I doing wrong? Generator. Not that one. Generator. Oh, an iron furnace. This is a good time to show you an iron furnace right now. After we smelt another 5 more iron. Smelting's all complete. Now I can show you how to build an iron furnace. So it's a furnace at the bottom, and then iron surrounding it in a house shape to build an iron furnace. This iron furnace increases the efficiency of fuel. So, for example, the standard coal normally lasts 8 smelts, but with an iron furnace it lasts 10, which is a lot better. So now to build the generator. So an RE battery, iron furnace, and 3 refined iron. Build that generator. I wouldn't recommend putting a generator right next to the extractor, as you can build a machine called the bat box, which stores the power. You can put this if we put these 5 uninsulated copper cables and make copper cable, I can show you. Put a coal down there and it starts generating power. As you can see, the electric bolt has been coloured, basically. And watch this. No power from redstone. And it's working. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. Hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe and comment. Please don't be harsh, it is my first video. So thank you. Next episode I'll show you how to build a bat box and a macerator.